Hello and welcome to Cooking Gems, part of the 50 Shades of Green. Today we're carrying on with the slow cooker convenience food prep, and today we're doing what I call a cheat chili, because it is cheating. It's convenience food. It's easy, simple, something you can put on before you're going to work, and it'll be piping hot for when you get back. So without further ado, let's carry on. So the ingredients is 500 grams of minced beef, a couple of jars of generic chili sauce. You can either make it yourself, and can it, so it's already there, or these two have been bought from the shop. They've been in the back of my cupboard. I'm trying to use stuff up. I'm going to put a tin of ratatouille in as well, give a bit of extra veg, and to make it even hotter, because they're mild sauces, I've got some sriracha hot chili sauce, which I like this. It's not too hot. It's not, but again, I don't know how many Scoville units it is. The ingredients is chili 61%, water, sugar, salt, garlic, flavour enhancer, barium, glutamate stabilizer, and all that jazz at the bottom. But yeah, it's as you can see, it's just a sriracha hot chili sauce, so I'll add that into it as well. So without further ado, let's move you across to the slow cooker. I've already switched it on, so all I'm going to do is I've got clean hands. I'm just going to break this minced beef, straight into the bottom of the slow cooker. There we go. Open up this is already, basically it's everything. It's got all the spices and the kidney beans, the peppers. It's just, again, quick and convenient. Again, what I'll probably do is make a chili sauce when I get further into my cooking, and can it, so I'll have my own eventually. But yeah, so that's literally all it is. And then we're going to add a tin of ratatouille to that. That just gives it a bit of extra taste, and then a good helping of the hot chili sauce. Warm the cockles of your heart, it will. And then give it a really good mix up, and then all these slow cooker recipes, it's either 4 hours on high or 6 to 8 hours on low. As you're aware, I don't go out So I'm cooking them on 4 hours on high, and as soon as the time is up, we'll be right back. Thank you very much. Hello, welcome back. We're here to check on the chilli. Oh, that's definitely done. What I'm going to do, turn that off. But yeah, there you go. That's another one finished. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Let's see. It's got kidney beans in. It's got a bit of veg. So you come home from work, you have a couple of ladles of that, a couple of spoonfuls of rice. Bob's your uncle. You've got yourself a meal. So there you go. So you've been listening to 50 Shades of Green, and please comment, like, subscribe, and do all the usual things down below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.